Hey guys, what's up? I'm here with my friend Alex, but right now we are at school and I am writing in my diary. Yeah. Here, diary. Today was prom, but nobody went with me, and nobody voted for me, and I'm really sad about that. Let me text back my friend. Yeah, Alex. How can anybody be that mean? Okay, I'll finish writing later because Alex needs help. Okay, I have no homework. Okay, I'm coming to your room. Okay, let me go. I like it. I'm gonna write in my diary. Like, guys, I wish I had like a diary that I could actually type in, which I can actually make a series of. I actually make a series of those on my website, which will be linked in bio. Yeah, cause you know what? You didn't stay already. So much ago you didn't know my thing, and now you want my thing. Ow. Lol. I'm gonna sit down and what about my locker? Oh, I can put some notes in my locker. My locker combo will be 0428. Notes. Don't forget your books. When everything's wrong, I can make it right. This is what I wrote. I failed 2 classes. I felt depressing. Oh, it's okay. You have me and Essa. Okay, now we have to write on the next page. But, my best friend forever always makes me feel better, and my twin sister is always kind. Like when I was playing girls and boys dance club, the boys called me a grace face. In our room, might as well go in Alex's room and read her diary. Okay, she doesn't have any homework to do, but what I really want to do is read her diary. Someone's speaking. Okay, I better lock the door for her room. Lock. Okay, I better hurry up and get to class. Okay, we better light lunch pad. Whee! Okay. There we go. We're at breakfast. I think I'll just what? I'll just grab some. Okay, I'm not hungry anymore, but let's go to my locker. At least I hope I can remember where my locker is. I say I hope. I need my books. Where's my locker? I need to claim this locker. I need to locker. What? Forgot. It's over here. No. Zero, 4, 2, 8. Done. Okay, there we go. I need everything. There we go. Let's get to computer class, guys. Woo. That's chemistry. This is mathematics. That's mathematics. That's art class. I'm getting lost in this school. It's too big. Let's see. Okay, that's not it. Okay, it's not the room. Could it be upstairs? I think it might be upstairs, guys. Whew. Whoa. Oh. We are creating a new friend group club. Period. What? How are they seeing this stuff? I'm just gonna copy everything that everyone's saying. I got an F? Okay, I guess I'll go to chemistry class. What? No! Let me go. Okay, where's chemistry? Have my chemistry books. Where's chemistry? I'm just gonna follow my friend. Student headquarters. I'll just teleport there. Oh, I hate chemistry. Have my chemistry book. Evie, daughter of hate. I hope I don't get an F. Same. Like, what? Oh, same. Okay, so this color, what? Oh, good. Okay, can I please, like, what do I do, like? I think I was same. I guess I'll just go here. Yeah. Hey, what's up, peeps? Bye, guys.